How to replace the DC pump for chiller CWUP-20. Firstly, use a cross screwdriver to remove the sheet metal screws. Remove the water supply inlet cap. Remove the upper sheet metal. Remove the black sealed cushion. Identify the position of the water pump. Cut off the zip ties on the inlet and outlet of the water pump. Remove the insulation cotton on the inlet and outlet of the water pump. Use a screwdriver to remove the silicone hose on its inlet and outlet. Disconnect the power supply connection of the water pump. Use a cross screwdriver and a 7mm wrench to remove the 4 fixing screws at the bottom of the water pump. Then you can remove the old water pump. Apply some silicone gel to the inlet of the new water pump. Fit the silicone hose onto its inlet. Then apply some silicone to the outlet of the evaporator. Connect the evaporator outlet to the inlet of the new water pump. Tighten the silicone hose with zip ties. Apply silicone gel to the water pump outlet. Fit the silicone hose onto its outlet. Secure the silicone hose with a hose clamp. Manually install the 4 screws on the water pump base. Tighten the screws. Plug in the water pump power supply. Wrap the inlet and outlet with insulation cotton. Tighten with zip ties. Finally, install the upper sheet metal. Tighten the sheet metal screws. Put the black sealed cushion on the water supply inlet. Cover the water inlet with the cap and you're done.